Hey guys, okay, so I'm sorry that window is so bright, but it's the only way I can get good lighting. So I'm gonna have to deal with it. Got my Red Bull, and I have a mirror right here, so if that's where I'm looking, it's because that's it. But I'm gonna show y'all my ratchet makeup routine because it's pretty ratchet, not gonna lie. It's like mainly all drugstore products, and I'm not a makeup guru at all. I suck at makeup, so that's why it's ratchet. But we're gonna use this. It's Maybelline New York Dewy Smooth Normal to Dry Fit Me in 115, because you know she a pale girl. And then I'm just using the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to do it, and I just like spot it because I have really bad acne scars, so I just focus on like smoothing those out to make it not so bad. Now we're gonna go in with our Maybelline New York concealer in 10 Fair, because again I am a pale girl. And I just like, again, just focus on my acne scars. My face has cleared up a lot since I started using Proactive, but because it's clearing up, it makes my acne scars look really, really bad. But it's fine. I never really sleep, so my under eyes are real bad. So we put some on there. I clearly need some more, you can tell. Yikes. And then I just go in with the same brush and just blend it all out. I wear contacts, fun fact about moi. And so sometimes when I do my makeup, they like shift, and so I blink like a crazy person. So if you see me doing that, it's because my contact is acting up. With my Airspun loose face powder. James Charles uses this. Weird flex, but okay. But I don't know how to read, so I'm just gonna knock that in, make a mess, because like, can you not make a mess with this stuff? No. And I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. powder brush, I guess. I don't know. And I just loosely put this all over. I don't go too heavy with it because I use it again later on, and so I don't want like too much powder. So I just use a light, I don't know what I'm doing. Something slight. And then I go in with my mini Hoola bronzer from Benefit. This is the Sephora Collection blush brush. But I use it for bronzer because like I said, I'm a very pale sister right now, and so I'm being tan. I feel like I'm nicer when I'm tan, to the point that people are like, wow, that's a lot of bronzer, and I'm like, oh, should I add more? That bronzer, you know, just make tan, but only in the face. And that's the tea. And then I use my finger to do my nose just because, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, so like, why spend so much money on like expensive makeup if you like don't know what you're doing? Okay, so now this is the part that I'm new at, that I really don't know what I'm doing, but I think it makes a difference. Baking. I suck at like baking in the kitchen and on my face, but I do both anyway. So I know you like put it under your eyes, which this I do think I do right, just because like my bags aren't so bad after I do this. So I enjoy doing this. I know I put it along. Does it look like I do crack? Okay. So this is just like the Real Techniques dirty beauty blender. Sorry about that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows. I don't do my eyebrows well. I just use this Gimme Brow Benefit stuff in the number 3, and I literally just go over my eyebrows to make them darker, and it like fills them in, and it makes me feel like a trendy girl because I'm like, oh yeah, I do my eyebrows, but in reality I literally just freaking put mascara on them, but like brow mascara, you know, just girly things. I've just been using this for eyeshadow because it makes my eyes pop, so I just use my Urban Decay Naked brush, and I just dip in and I just focus on my crease, but then also drag it like all over my eyelid. But like, I say like a lot, I'm so sorry, but I focus more on the crease. It looks better, I swear. And then sometimes I'll bring it down a little bit, barely, but Andrew Arrested said to drag it, so I'm dragging it. Then I'm just gonna go back in with my powder brush and just swipe off all that loose powder, which I think you're supposed to let it bake for a little longer, but I'm impatient, so. Now we're gonna go in with the same brush, but the one with red tape, because that means you use blush. Red for blush. It's literally the exact same e.l.f. powder brush, but different. And I'm just going to use the Fit Me Maybelline New York blush in 20. And I love blush. I love making it look like I have a sunburn. It's like my favorite thing to do. And then I put a little bit on my forehead because like that's where you get your sunburn. This is probably the weirdest thing that I do is I take the mini Hoola bronzer brush that like comes with the Hoola bronzer, and I use this for highlight, and I use eyeshadow for highlight. It's the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette, and then I use the Rich and Creamy Bananas one, and I just go in and highlight my face, and it works really well for me. So yeah, and this is the part that really makes me look like a girl. Mascara. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which love it. It makes my eyeshadow, or my it makes my lashes look really good, but throughout the day it like falls all under here, and I don't understand, but it makes a world of a difference, that's for sure. Like, whoa. But I always mess up, so I always have Q-tips. Told you it was Ratchet. And I just go in. But do you see that difference? Like, girl, boy. Oh, chapstick. This is the Carmex Comfort Care Natural Watermelon Blast, and it's like my favorite thing in the world. I love chapstick. I never wear like actual lipstick, it's always just chapstick. And it tastes really good. Yeah, that's my look. I don't know what this channel is gonna be, and I think that's what is so fun about it. I've always wanted to YouTube. I feel like my life is such a mess that it's like funny. And I low-key kind of like the editing process. So that's what this is gonna be. It's literally just whatever I want it to be. I suck at makeup. Yeah, I'm uploading a makeup tutorial. Like, what? Wow, that's so cute. So yeah, this is literally just so much fun for me. And it's more of just me like archiving memories and like just being funny and silly and remembering this stuff than anything serious. So just don't expect a lot. It's literally just my friends watching, so love that. Love you guys. This is my Ratchet makeup routine. Love you guys. Peace.